Hey, it's Clay Trade, and this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. Dawned on me that it's been a while since I've done a video chart on this, and I had some requests for it saying, hey, what's been going on? So I want to get it updated, and this video shouldn't be too long or spectacular because there's not too much to get updated, but I do want to nonetheless just kind of throw out what's been going on. All these lines you see are what I drew during my last video, so I haven't touched anything or thrown any of these in. And with that, I'll kind of just go the play-by-play through what's been going on. I think the last time I did it, the chart looked like that, and it looked like maybe a possible move up, but it went up. It formed this doji candle right around this area of resistance, and then you can see the results of that. Just got knocked back down, and since then have not been able to get above that resistance. But at the same time, the key thing that's been going on, and the thing that's presenting a good sign, is that, if I can extend this out some, is that this support level, whoops, is holding up. If you go back here and look at this previous high, this has been a key support level here. The price held, and right now the price is right there. So this kind of bodes on two things. One, if you're already in it, you're seeing some good signs of strength here. You're seeing this level hold up like you would want to. And if you're not thinking in, or maybe just a trader, you're at a really good risk versus reward situation, meaning you could hop in here, set a tight little stop loss, and pretty much, you'd have about this much worth of risk. So this box represents your risk. But if it, goes for you, and it can, come up here and test one of these areas of support, then this would be your box of reward. So as you can see, the reward highly outweighs the risk in terms of a quick trading play, because that's what you want to do for risk versus reward. You want to buy right around support levels, and if it bounces and goes, then you're in a good trade. So a couple different options there if you're looking for a trade. This does currently present a good little risk versus reward setup. But really right now, from the daily chart perspective and from the perspective of people that are holding this for longer term, you're essentially just channeling right now. You're consolidating after this big move up, and you're basically, you got this low as the bottom of your channel, then you have this area right here as a top, and really until the bulls or bears make up their mind on which direction this is going to go, it's kind of just a waiting game right now. That's why I said there's really not too much I can say. I mean, the good is that this line right here continues to hold strong. That's the good. The bad is, I guess it's not shooting upwards. But after decline like this, I'm sure people would agree that it's better to see the sideways action than rather than the price just continuing to fall. So as far as video charts and questions go, I probably won't be back with a video chart until something can happen in terms of a move upwards or downwards, because right now it's not too much I can say. The price is just simply going sideways. If it does break to the downside, you're probably going to be headed down and test this support level right here at the 50 period. If you can break to the upside, like I said, this would be the next area of support, or excuse me, resistance up there. So it's really just a wait and see. I'll check out the weekly real quick, see how that's going. And yeah, the weekly, same thing, just showing a pullback right now. The good thing is on this big move up, you had big volume, but on this consolidation, or excuse me, I guess that this candle goes with that. But on this pullback here, it's been lesser volume. So it's nothing like there's huge selling or anything going on. But once again, you can see you're just going sideways, pulling back, and I keep repeating myself. So I'm just going to cut this video off because there's really not too much I can say. So let's just go back to the daily, and we'll close there. But if you do have any other questions, let me know. I'll probably just tell you, well, it's a wait and see situation. But feel free to ask away if you still have them. And if you have not yet already, I'd encourage you to check out bullmarketnewsletter.net. If you go there and sign up for the emailer, you'll be sent a free ebook, which has been getting very good reviews. And with your subscription, you'll get trade setups, educational pieces, trade ideas, all sorts of things, chart setups, from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety from everybody. It's all free, no strings attached, and we've been making our members some good money with our ideas and trade setups. So it's good to at least give it a try. One more time, this is Washington Mutual. Let me know if you have any other questions, and everybody have a good weekend.